Just wanted to make a quick little video on how to change the appearances when you're trying to add like a pattern overlay for like a knurl or something like that. It's, it seems it's just one of those things that like if you haven't done it before, it may be weird to figure it out. But we'll just do a quick little video on it and show you how to do it. So let's change this body to red. So let's hit A on our keyboard. Okay, it took a minute to come up for some reason. So now we want to go to, let's do this aluminum anodized glossy red. Make sure it's applied to bodies and components. And let's apply it to the whole body. Now let's go search for the knurled pattern. We'll do aluminum knurled. Let's change this to faces because we just want to knurl this area here. And let go. Now that knurl's too big, so double click on the knurl, and then let's change the scale. Let's go lower, so you know, just tell it looks good. There's no perfect way to do this, and well, no, I can't decide. That looks good. And then now you notice that it's the wrong color, so what we have to do is double click on your red. Remember this number 217 89 89. So let's go into our knurl. Let's type in 217 89 89. And now we've matched the color, and we didn't have, it was really easy.